All dug out? There you go. I guess this video is for you guys that are worried about your geese and ducks in the winter. We're in Wisconsin. Just had a pretty good snowstorm, about 20 inches in one storm. So just wanted to show you quick. This little makeshift thing that they've been sleeping in. See that moisture though? That's not good. So I'm out here today just getting the snow off the roof. But last night, well, I guess during the 2-day snowstorm, they were getting snowed in here, drifted in. So I had to get in here, and this was all almost plugged right here. They couldn't even get out. But they wanted to get out really bad, so made this little tunnel for them. This goes all the way underneath the camper, but that's where the snow drifting was. So I just plugged it and forced the wind to go out towards the back corner there, and then it goes out here. So then they can get out. I just cut a hole in the fence. But I was Googling, you know, I was just worried about them. Anything I bring home, I want it to be comfortable. So, I didn't know if their feet were going to get cold or, you know, kind of new to this whole homesteading thing. But this was all drifted in right about to there, and they dug all that out, but they wanted to come out because they were too hot inside there. So yeah, you know, when you Google stuff, well, when you Google geese, they want to sit outside. You could build them a mansion, they don't care. They're birds, as long as you provide some shelter for them, food and water, they're good. Kind of learned that myself. But I see I got a couple new subscribers, and thank you, but I don't know why you'd subscribe to my channel. It's kind of boring, and well, anyways, I'm trying to get something going on YouTube, but I don't know what to put out there, so I'm kind of gonna go with the homesteading. So that's what some of the future videos will be about. I've got 4 acres out here, and I want to do something with it. So yeah, this is kind of what they get to see. And Ty's digging out the doorway there, letting the geese out. So yeah. It's kind of cool in here. Like a big fort. Campers work really well for chicken coops. The top, upstairs, little ventilation, not much. They work really well. Those chickens, they were super warm all winter. That's it. What else can I show you guys? This goes all the way down. It's the whole length, but that's where I put the wind hole. Now we just go straight through and out. So yeah, thanks for subscribing. I'll try to make the videos better. I'm a little camera shy, kind of new at all this, so. Alright, talk to you guys later.